patient is prescribed kryptonide 2.5 milligrams by nebulizer. The medication is available as 400 micrograms per 3 milliliters. What volume is required? Right, now here's our formula, right? You have to know this one here, the formula. And so we're looking for volume. The volume equals the amount prescribed. Now what's prescribed? Well, first of all, let's do a unit check. The unit check is number one before we use the formula. So we see that the amount prescribed is 2.5 milligrams and the amount per unit volume is in micrograms. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert this 2.5 milligrams into micrograms first. So 2.5 milligrams equals how many micrograms? Well, 1 milligram is the same as 1,000 micrograms. So to go from milligrams to micrograms, we multiply by 1,000. So we're going to bounce that decimal point 3 places. So it's going to go over the 5 and then it's going to go over another 2 zeros. So 2.5 milligrams equals, we can put down our 2 and our 5 and a couple of zeros here. The decimal point starts here, right, and it goes 1, 2, 3. So we have 2,500 micrograms. And this is our, what is it? This is our amount prescribed. That's prescribed. The prescribed amount in the same units as the amount per unit volume. So, ready to load up our formula now. The amount prescribed is not 2.5 milligrams, we're going to put it in the micrograms, so it's 2,500 multiplied by the unit volume, and the unit volume is 3 mils, you see that? So it's 3 all over the amount per unit volume, and that's 400 micrograms. You see, 400 and the 2,500, they're the same type of unit. They're both micrograms. Okay, now here we can do some cancelling before or after multiplying by 3 on top. So it's probably easier to do it before multiplying by 3. So dividing above and below by 10, you'd knock off a 0 there and there. And doing the same again, dividing by 10 again, there and there. So now we're left with 25 multiplied by 3 over 4. Now 3 25s is 75 divided by 4. And we just have to divide 75 by 4 to get our final answer. I'm just going to move this up a bit here to give me some space. So 75 divided by 4, so 75.00 say, divided by 4, 4 into 7 goes once with 3 over, 4 into 35 goes 8 times with 3 over. We bring down the decimal point. 4 into 30 goes 7 times and 2 over. 4 into 20 goes 5 times. So our answer, how much volume to give, what was the question again? I'll just go back up here now. Patient is prescribed, what volume is required? The volume is 18.75 mils or milliliters. 18.75 ml.